I literally saw the United States go into an extremely chaotic time before the end of this year. But the Lord said, I brought you here to establish you and settle you. And when that happens, gather worshiping teams and go to the governmental structures and begin to worship. Do not get embroiled in the controversy, but go to the nation structures, go to the state structures, go to the city governmental headquarters and gather those to go with you and worship openly. For in Washington, D.C., everywhere there are messages that say, be quiet. The Lord says this is not a time to be quiet. This is a time to open up your mouth and worship, worship, worship the King of Kings and see if I will not work a miracle in this nation and turn the tide and break in on that which people say is impossible to break in on. It's time. It's time. It's time. It's time.